In this video, we'll look at how to manage your customers and customer groups. Go to the Customer section in the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see a list of all your store's customers. You can search for a specific customer and open their profile by clicking their name. On the Customer page, there are two main sections. In Basic Information, you'll find the customer's contact details and marketing permissions. In the Orders section, you can see the customer's full order history. Back in Basic Information, you'll also see the Customer Group option. Here, you can assign the customer to a specific group. Customer groups are managed under Customer Groups in the left-hand menu. To create a new group, click Manage Customer Groups and then Add Customer Group. Enter a name for the group and make sure it is set to be in use in the online store. There is also a link option, which automatically assigns new registered customers to this group. In most cases, this is not necessary because customers can also be added to groups using audiences. Audiences allow you to define more specific rules for assigning customers to groups automatically. You can also attach customers to groups manually. Go back to the Online Store admin from the top right corner menu. Then, open Customers. Select the customers you want, click Bulk Actions, and choose Attach to a Customer Group. Then, select the group and confirm. And that's how you manage customers and customer groups in Finqu Admin.